Have you ever wondered, can a black hole be turned off? It sounds absurd, like flipping a switch on one of the most powerful forces in the universe. But in the strange world of theoretical physics, the idea isn't as impossible as it seems. Today, we're going to explore a question that challenges the very nature of gravity, time, and energy. Can a black hole stop being a black hole? Let's start with what a black hole actually is. A black hole forms when a massive star collapses under its own gravity. The core implodes, compressing matter into a point of infinite density, a singularity, surrounded by an invisible boundary called the event horizon. Nothing can escape from it, not even light. Once formed, black holes don't just sit there. They grow, by pulling in gas, stars, even entire planets. But here's the big question: can this growth ever stop? In a way, yes. A black hole can stop feeding. If it runs out of material around it, no gas, no dust, no stars, it enters a dormant phase. Think of it like a sleeping giant. It's still dangerous but quiet. In fact, many black holes in the universe are already dormant. We can't even see them unless something gets close enough to be pulled in and light up the area. So, is that the same as being turned off? Not quite. A dormant black hole is still a black hole. It's just inactive. But can it be destroyed or disabled? This is where things get interesting. Stephen Hawking predicted that black holes can evaporate over time through something called Hawking radiation. This quantum process allows tiny amounts of radiation to leak from the black hole, slowly draining its mass. Eventually, after trillions of years, a black hole could completely evaporate. So, technically, yes, black holes can turn off. But it's not immediate. It's more like a cosmic battery slowly running out. Now, here's the wild part. Some theories suggest black holes can be turned off much faster, but only under extreme conditions. In a theoretical process known as the Penrose process, it's possible to extract energy from a rotating black hole by throwing objects into it at precise angles. In theory, if done correctly, this could slow down the black hole's rotation and drain its energy. Could we actually shut it down completely this way? Maybe. But the technology to do this would be millions of years beyond us. There's also speculation about white holes, the hypothetical opposites of black holes. Instead of pulling everything in, they push everything out. Some scientists think black holes could eventually become white holes under certain quantum conditions. If that's true, it could represent a natural off switch, where the black hole stops consuming and starts expelling matter. So what would it take to manually turn off a black hole? Well, an advanced civilization, far beyond our own, might one day be able to manipulate black holes. Using immense energy, gravitational engineering, or even exotic matter, they could trigger instability in the event horizon or disrupt the singularity itself. Of course, all of this is deeply theoretical. In our current era, black holes are still the universe's most mysterious monsters. But the idea of turning them off isn't pure science fiction anymore. It's a real question being explored in the edges of modern physics. Because here's the truth. Black holes aren't just cosmic vacuums. They're also engines of energy, time machines, and possibly even gateways to other dimensions. And like any engine, maybe just maybe they can be shut down. So the next time you hear about a black hole billions of light years away, devouring a star, remember, it might not always be like that, because one day, someone, or something, might flip the switch. For more mind-blowing space videos like this, visit and subscribe to Knowledge Hub. Stay curious and stay safe.